Good morning, students. Discuss about the triangles, similarity of the triangles. So many definitions related to that similarity and congruency. I've seen that. So on that basis, SAS similarity, SS similarity, AE similarity, so prove that. And with the help of similarity of the triangles, you have proved a very important theorem which is known as the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem tells about only about right angled triangle. Yes, just you can right angled triangle. Means we know that where one angle is 90 degree, then the triangle is said to be right angled triangle. The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. So there is a relation between hypotenuse and the two sides containing right angles. That is, by the help of this particle, what I put already, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Very important theorem. We have proved that Pythagoras theorem stated that in right angled triangle, square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. And also set of natural numbers A, B, C are natural numbers. Then, yes, whatever it is, A is greater than B is greater than C, whatever it is, the relation between that A, B, C are natural numbers. So B is greater than A and also B is greater than C. It means B is hypotenuse. This is A, this is C. B is greater than C and B is greater than A. Then what we can tell? B square is equal to A square plus C square. Then A, B, C are said to be Pythagorean triplets. It means A, B, C can form right angled triangle. So that is Pythagoras theorem. Today we want to see about how that Pythagoras theorem is applied to solve the exams. Let's do an example from exercise. Example is ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C. A roughly idea. Yes, right angled at C, isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle which is right angled at C. Then to prove AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. Yes, what is an isosceles triangle? The triangle which is having two sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangle. This is isosceles right angled triangle where at C is 90 degree. Then to prove that AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. Is it so? Yes, what is given? Yes, given that in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree and AC is equal to BC. Other than the hypotenuse, they are equal. So, by Pythagoras theorem, what we can tell? That is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Yes, AC square plus BC square. Yes, they are given. What they are given? AC is equal to BC or BC is equal to AC. Yes, therefore, from 1 AB square is equal to, what are we going to do? 2 times of AC square. So, instead of BC, substitute the value which is equal to AC. That is AC square plus, instead of BC, we are writing AC square plus AC square equal to AC square plus AC square is 2 AC square. That is AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. For example, this is, sometimes they can ask 2 marks question, sometimes they can ask 1 marks question. How they can ask that for 1 marks question? So, a right angle triangle which is isosceles. Isosceles right angle triangle, then the relation between hypotenuse and the remaining sides, that is hypotenuse is always equal to 2 times of AC square or 2 times of BC square, because AC is also equal to BC. So in this way, we are going to apply the value. Second, next example, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. What is altitude? ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. Yes, ABC is an equilateral triangle whose side is of 2A. Find length of altitude. Length of altitude. Altitude means exactly the height of the triangle. It means vertex to the base, it must be perpendicular. AD is the altitude. How many altitudes can be drawn? 3 altitudes can be drawn in equilateral triangle. That 3 altitudes also equal. Yes. So, altitude means 90 degree. Where the 90 degree comes in the triangle, there must be Pythagoras theorem. Is it? Yes. Given that in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A units given. Is to what to find? Altitude, that is AD. What to find? So, what the relation between BD and DC? Directly we can apply, otherwise we are going to show. In isosceles triangle, it is equilateral triangle. Is it equilateral triangle is isosceles? Yes. But isosceles triangle is not equilateral. So what is the property of isosceles triangle? A very important property. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the base bisecting the base. Understanding, I think. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the base bisecting the base. This is already we know, directly we can write. Otherwise, the work is to show that BD equal to DC. Bisects the base means BD equal to DC. That we have to prove. Is it which one? That directly we can apply, otherwise we are going to prove that. Yes. And AD perpendicular to BC. That is I. Yes. So I want to prove that. That also just I can remind. Yes. So in triangle ADB and triangle ADC, try to show them congruent. Already we know very well the postulates about congruency relation. Once again, SSS postulates congruency. SAS postulates for congruency. ASA postulates for congruency. And RHS property for congruency. Among these four, we can apply anyone according to the given thing. Okay, so now see here ADB and ADC. Yes. So angle ADB is equal to angle ADC 90 degree. Is it? Yes. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree given altitude. Yes, and AB is equal to AC. This is also given equilateral triangle. Yes, and AD is equal to AD. It is common. Yes. In triangle ADB, AD equal to AC. Yes, and AD is common, and one is 90 degree. So right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side. It means by the help of RHS property, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ABC by RHS congruence property. Therefore BD is equal to CD. What is that? CPCB, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. So therefore BD is equal to CD is equal to BC is equal to how much? 2A. So BD and CD are equal, means this is equal to A, this is equal to A units. Yes, understanding? Therefore by Pythagoras theorem is 90 degree. Yes, so AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. What is the value of AB? AB square is equal to, that is 2A bracket square equal to AD means we are going to find that AD square plus BD square means BD is equal to A square. Therefore, this is 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. Therefore, AD square root, taking square root, that is equal to root 3 into A. It means that root 3 into length of side of equilateral triangle. AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude. So root 3 into A means half the side. Root 3 into side upon 2, not root 3 into side. Root 3 into A is half of the side. It means you can tell root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into length of the side. It is altitude of equilateral triangle. Root 3 into A is half of the side. Yes. One thing. This is altitude. This is altitude. Then what is the area of an equilateral triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle. So you see that. So it's a triangle area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is equal to that already we have half base into height. That is equal to half. What is the base? Base is 2a into height. That is altitude. Root 3 by 2 into side. It means 2a. Height of calculated here. Root 3 into a. Root 3 side upon 2. That is equal to S. Root 3 into side means 2a. Root 3 into a means half of the side. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into half base into height. Root 3 by 2 into side means side. Half base into height. Root 3 into a. So here means what happens? 2 get cancelled. It's not possible. Yes. Try this. Altitude of what there? A square equal to 3a square. A equal to root 3 into a. A means half of the side. Half of the side. Enough that is. Try to do this. We are getting root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. Let's give a different way. Next example, rhombus, related to rhombus. Related to rhombus. Yes, ABC is a rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Then diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals other at right angles. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So they are intersecting at O. The property is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and bisect each other means S AO equal to CO, BO equal to DO. These are the properties. So what to prove? What to prove? Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. That is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. AC square plus BD square, sum of the squares of the diagonals. Yes, this also can be, that also can be mean in this way. 4 times AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So 4 times of AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. That also can mean sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus all are equal. So all are equal means 4 times of any one side. 4 times of AB square or 4 times of BC square or 4 times of CD square or 4 times of DA square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. The diagonals are not equal. Is it? That we have to prove. Okay. Yes, given that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and diagonals are intersecting each other at right angles. Each other at right angles. So AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO given. Yes, then the triangle is formed. Here all are right angles means all are right angles here. Anyone triangle you want to consider? Anyone triangle you want to consider? Try to give the relation. Okay, so now in triangle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. AOB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. Square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Is it? So now, what is AO? AO is equal to CO. We want the relation between AC and BD. So AO is equal to CO means AO is half of AC. AO is half of AC. Half of AC bracket square plus BO means half of BD. Half of BD. We want the relation is in the form of whole diagonals, not half the diagonals. So we are taking the relation, which is equal to 1 upon 4 AC square plus 1 upon 4 BD square. Okay, equal to LCM is 4 AC square plus BD square divided by 4. Yes, that is AB square. Yes, take this for this side. Therefore, 4 into AB square equal to AC square plus BD square. This is the proof. 4AB square can write in this form. Sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Understand how I am proving that? Very important part is to remember properties of rhombus. Once again, all sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Only the two properties of diagonal rhombus can tell the relation between sides and its diagonals. Without knowing the properties of diagonal, properties of rhombus, you cannot prove. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Roughly idea must be very important. This is a wall. This is wall. This is ground level. There is a ladder. There is a ladder. This is ground level. This is the wall. The question is a ladder 10 meter long. The length of the ladder is 10 meter. A ladder 10 long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. 8 meter above the ground. AB is height of the window and the position of the window above the ground. And Wali is always perpendicular to the ground, very important here, Pythagoras theorem. Then another point is C, where the ladder reaches the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This we are going to find. Such questions are asked for 1 marks multiple choice questions, sometimes 2 marks questions. A simple that is. S from the figure, S length of the ladder, length of ladder is equal to, that is AC equal to 10 meter. Height of the window above the ground. Height of the window above the ground. Which is AB, which is 8 meter, and distance between ladder and wall is equal to BC. That is equal to calculate. Remember, wall and ground always perpendicular to each other. Remember. So then by Pythagoras theorem, yes, then by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem tells that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square means 10 square, that is AB square means 8 square plus BC square. We are going to calculate. Therefore, 10 square is 100, that is equal to 64 BC square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 100 minus 64. BC square is equal to, that is 36. Therefore, BC equal to square root of 36 is 6 meter. Means the distance between the wall and the ladder is 6 meter. See, portable examples I am going to show by applying Pythagoras theorem. Next example, two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stands on a plain ground. Two poles are standing on a plain ground. What's the idea? They are standing on a ground, means they are always perpendicular. Yes, AB is one pole, CD is another pole, which are standing on the ground, means they must perpendicular. One is 6 meter and another one is 11 meter. Stands on a plain ground. If the distance between the field of the poles, distance between field of the poles is 12 meter, is 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. Find the distance between their tops. These are the tops. Find the distance between their tops. So our theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, related to a right angle triangle, the important point. But here we are not seeing the triangle, so there must be some relation. Yes. So draw a line through A intersecting CD at some point E, which is parallel to BC, means perpendicular. Through A, draw a line parallel to BD, which cuts CD at E. So AE parallel to BD is perpendicular to CD. So automatically it tells that AE is also parallel to CD. Yes, understanding? Two parallel lines, one is perpendicular means another must be also perpendicular to the same line. This is a very important property. Yes, now triangle you have got, right angle triangle you have got. So try to apply the Pythagoras theorem. To apply the Pythagoras theorem, what are the lengths? CE, what is the AE? So at this stage, ABDE become rectangle. Here 90 degree, here 90 degree, here 90 degree means here also 90 degree. By the property of sum of the angles in quadrilateral. Is it? So ABD is rectangle. Rectangle properties, opposite sides are equal. So BD is 12 meter means E is also 12 meter. And what about DE? Opposite sides are equal. So DE equal to also 6 meter. What about AE? So C is 5 meter because it is total 11 meter. 6 meter is less here. So remaining 5 meter. So find out the PSC. Simple. So draw AE parallel to BD to intersect at E. Yes, therefore ABDE is rectangle. Yes, therefore AE equal to BD equal to 12 meter and DE equal to AB equal to 6 meter. Therefore CE equal to CD minus DE. Yes, the figure tells that means 11 meter means 11 minus 6 equal to 5 meter. Yes, therefore in triangle AEC, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Therefore apply the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. AE means 12 square plus CE means 5 square. 12 square is 144 plus 25 equal to 169. That is AC square is equal to 169. Therefore AC equal to square root of 169 is 13 meter. So what is that? Distance between the tops of poles is 13 meter. In this way we are going to calculate more examples related to Pythagoras theorem. Some more examples are there. We'll see tomorrow. Okay.